how to sign out of your Google account on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to sign out of your Google account on your Android phone, I will show you how to do it. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And here, once you are inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as Accounts and Sync. And now here, once you see the interface like this, simply scroll down and tap on Google. Now here on this page, simply select your account that you want to delete. For this video, I'm gonna simply select this account. And here, once you are inside the account, simply tap on more icon at the bottom center of the screen, and from the pop-up menu, simply tap on remove account. And after that, a confirmation message will pop up. From that message, simply tap on remove account. And that's it. Now you have successfully signed out of your Google account, and this will remove access from Gmail, YouTube, Google Drive and all other connected apps on this device. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.